In class 11, chapter 4, we are on special day book or subsidiary books. Already we completed cash book of 3 types, purchase book, sales book. Now our today's topic is sales return book. Sales return book is the book in which all those transactions to be entered which is returned by the buyers may be due to defective, due to not according to the order, not as per the quality, not as per the order, may be damaged or defective goods. And one more, nowadays it is very common goods on return basis also. Means the seller when supply the goods at that time he can give the condition if your goods will be sold then okay, otherwise return it. Generally this is the common phenomenon nowadays. Every producer and seller is giving the assurance to return basis, means sale or return. Okay, so there are various reasons of returning goods. First reason, maybe the goods not according to the order. If you are supplying goods without as per the order, the buyer has complete right to return it to you according to Consumer Protection Act also. Okay, then second, maybe the goods are damaged, that's why he may return it. Okay, then maybe not according to your order, not according to the quality, maybe he has given order of some other good and you are supplying some other good, then he has right to return it. Now my dear children, today we are going to start one book, subsidiary book, day book or special book for keeping the records of sales return. Means this book will contain only those transactions which contains the detail of goods returned by the buyer. Okay, same format, CGST, SGST and IGST will be applicable. CGST means Central Goods and Service Tax. SGST means State Goods and Service Tax. These tax will be applicable if the exchange and dealing is within the state, like Jaipur to Kota, Kota to Jhalawar, Kota to Jaisalmer, then two taxes will be applicable. Now what about IGST? Integrated Goods and Service Tax. That will be applicable only when the exchange or trade crosses the boundaries of the state or if the transaction held between two or more than two states. Then in that condition IGST will be applicable. So my dear children, note down one question. Prepare a sales return book of generally if the manufacturing date or the expiry date that is printed wrong or that is expired, then also the buyer can return the goods. If you are supplying the goods of expiry date, then also he can be returned the goods. Okay, so prepare a sales return. Noel John, please note down. Prepare a sales return book of Goyal Stores. Akshi Rajoria, please start. Goyal Stores, Jaipur. Goyal Stores, Jaipur. Of Goyal Stores, Jaipur. Now keep in mind that Jaipur concern is necessary. Why Jaipur concern is necessary? Because by this we can find out the taxation. Am I audible, Mayur? Okay. So Goyal stores Jaipur. Now on 1st January, goods returned by 1st January, goods returned by Gupta, Calcutta. Gupta, Calcutta. 1st January, goods returned by Gupta, Calcutta, 100 packets, 100 packets at the rate of 10 of Uncle Chips. 100 packets at the rate of ₹10 of Uncle Chips. These packets of Uncle Chips may be damaged. Noel John, please note down. May be damaged, maybe expiry date was there. So 100 packets at the rate of ₹10 of Uncle Chips returned by Gupta, Calcutta. Then on 5th January, 5th January, 5th January, Aurora, Kota, returned 50 packets of Lay's at the rate of 12. 50 packets of Lay's at the rate of 12. 50 packets of Lay's at the rate of 12. CGST, GST at the rate of 5% each. GST at the rate of 5% each. Noel John, I will check your copy at the end. Now children, look how we will make it. This is the date column, particulars, LF voucher number, same way, amount. Then next, this is detail, we can say amount. Then next, same columns as we have CGST, SGST, IGST and net. Same way as we made other books. Now we are going to start. 1st January, Gupta, Calcutta. So you can write in capital letters Gupta, Calcutta, or Kolkata you can write if you want. Gupta, Kolkata. Gupta, Kolkata. Now, Akshi, what we have to write? See, 100 packets at the rate of 10 rupees of Uncle Chips. So 100 into 10, that is 1000. Okay. Now GST 5% each. Now Noel will tell me. Noel. Noel John, please tell me which tax will be applicable here. I unmute you. Which tax will be applicable here? Noel John.
IGST.
Yes, please.
IGST.
Show me your
IGST.
copy. Yes, show me your copy. Show me your copy. Now, children, see, we have to add 10% IGST, 1000, 10%, 100, then we will write in this way, that is 1100, amount is 1000, no CGST, no SGST, IGST will be 100 and net amount will be 1100. Clear? Why we keep IGST, Harshvardhan? Because Jaipur and Kolkata both are different states. Okay. Now next, for 5th January, 5th January, Aurora Kota. Aurora Kota. Now for Aurora Kota, what they have done? 50 packets Lays, 50 packets at the rate of 12 of Lays. So 12 fives are 600. 600. Now Anuj, which tax we have to impose? Which tax we have to impose, my dear?
CGST and SGST.
Very good answer. CGST and SGST. Why? Because 5% CGST, 5% SGST. Because Kota and Jaipur, buyer and seller, belong to the same state. 6 fives are 30. 6 fives are 30. Then again make the line by this way. This is 660 and here we will write 600. Then here 30, 30, no IGST, and that is 660. At the end, we will make grand total this way. Okay, I will do it again. Wait. This also, okay. This is 660. This is 600. This is 30. This is 30. This is again 660. Okay, now last final total. Final total of this column is 1700. Yes, this column is 30. This column is 30. This column is 100. And again, this is 176. 1760. This is the final total. Yes, look at the board. Sales return book is prepared same as we prepared other subsidiary books, other special books, other day books. Okay, if there is trade discount, we should subtract it. If no trade discount, then no need to subtract it. Now, once again, I am going to explain you GST 5%. 5% each means what? GST 5%. 5% means CGST 5, SGST 5 and IGST sum of total of CGST and SGST. Okay, so again I am telling you how to make it. Sales return book of Goyal Stores, Jaipur, Rajasthan, and they first returned Gupta Calcutta returned 100 packets of Uncle Chips. The price of one packet is 10 rupees. So 100 into 10, that is 1000. Now 5% CGST, 5% SGST. So total will be 10% IGST. 1000, 10%, 100. So total is 1100. But the net amount is 100, or we can say cost price is 1000. No CGST, no SGST, only 100 IGST, and the total amount is 1100, as you can match. Okay, now my question, Mayur, if there is trade discount, what to do then? Yes, we should subtract it. Very good. From here we can trade discount minus. Okay. Now second transaction. Aurora Kota. 50 packets at the rate of 12 lace. 50 into 12, 600. This is 600. 600. 5% CGST, 5% SGST, that will become 30 plus 30. Now, why CGST and SGST? Yes, why Samriddhi? Why CGST and SGST, beta? Because
Same state.
same
state.
But only keep in mind these things, because the same states, then SGST and CGST will be applicable. So 30 plus 30, that is 660. 600 is the price, 30 CGST, 30 SGST, and the total first column total 660 will be there, 660. And at the end, you will make total, we can say it is grand total 1000. No need to make the total of this column. No need to make. Okay? 1600. I've done wrong. See, my dear children, Savan, what is the total of 1600? Please. 1600. 1600. Total is 1600. Purposely I made mistakes sometimes, so that I can check you are alert or not. 1600, that is 1600. 30 is CGST, 30 is SGST, 100 is IGST, and the total is, you can match. See, don't jumble the columns. First of all, it's my request, don't make SGST or IGST prior. This is the sequence. First tax is CGST, Central Goods and Service Tax. Second tax is SGST, State Goods and Service Tax. Third column is IGST. IGST means, okay, IGST means, shall I ask? IGST, what is the full form of IGST, Rabjul?
Ma'am, integrated goods and service tax.
Very good answer, correct, my dear. Integrated goods and service tax. And then third, last column is net. Don't make the column for discount. Yatharth, don't make the column for discount because discount we subtract here only in the calculation. In the calculation, we can subtract it. So there is no need to make separate column for discount. See, maybe be careful. Be careful. In sales book, in purchase book, in sales return book, in purchase return book. See, Priyanshi, can we enter cash discount? In purchase book, in sales book, in purchase return book, in sales return book, can we enter cash discount?
No, ma'am.
Why?
Because we are only writing credit transactions and
Very
not
good
the
answer. It's my pleasure that you give the correct answer. Very good, excellent answer, my dear. That is the to the point answer because in these 4 books we entered only the credit transactions. So no need to enter cash transaction. Never, we don't enter cash transaction here. Cash transaction or cash discount. Because for cash transactions and cash discounts, we maintain cash books separately. These 4 books are only for credit purchase, credit sales, sales return, purchase return. Okay, and in these 4 books, we will deduct trade discount only. Okay, clear? Any doubt regarding today's topic? In the exam, I'll ask these types of questions. Okay, yesterday someone told me after that, ma'am, how you will ask the questions. Like here, I can ask you one question, be careful. Rishiraj, I am asking to you, what will be the total net amount of Gupta Kolkata? If I'll give you 4 choices in the question. $1,000, $2,000, $3,000, $1,100. What will be your answer, my dear? Yes.
1100.
Yes, very good answer. Next question. What is the amount of CGST in Aurora quota? Then 4 choices. Harshvardhan, what is the amount of CGST in Aurora quota? 4 choices. 30, 60, 300, 600.
30.
30. Good answer. Means these questions can be formed in MCQ, in match the column, in true, false, in fill in the blank. Don't worry. I will give you only those types of questions which I taught you, which I explain you. These type of questions will come. But we cannot give you the long questions. We can make their summary way. Like here, this question will contain like what is the IGST of Gupta? What is the amount for Aurora? In these type of questions we can ask. Okay, so today we completed sales return book and tomorrow we will start next book.